a notebook and pencil. Stat.
Message from Shelby Bosworth. She needs a notebook and pencil.
The truck stop is a big supply of goods you demand at school but don't have access to. Our store in the back of a truck so people at school can buy the things they don't have. No need to buy expensive water when you can get it for 50 cents.
With no competition, we are the leading producer. Our customers need our services. With efficient costs and economic freedom to choose the things you need in a flash with a low price.
Pencils are 25 cents. Ponytails are also 25 cents. Lettuce 10 cents. Gum is $1.50. Homework assistance is $3. Highlighters are $1. Pens are 50 cents. Notebooks are 75 cents. Chips are 75 cents. Water is 50 cents. Snacks are $1 and Gatorade is $1.25.
Overpriced snacks? Who needs those? Go to the truck stop.
I'm so hungry. Truck stop. I need trail mix. Thanks!
You're welcome.
Truck stop! The usefulness of our products give people the things they need when they need it. We have a big supply for the things you demand.
Wow, I really need a ponytail. 1-800-12-TRUCK. Stat, I need a ponytail.
Here you go, Shelby.
How much is it?
25 cents.
All right. Here you go.
Call or text 1-800-12-TRUCK for what you want where you need it.
Call now for what you need when you want it.
I thought you were shooting one part of the project.
Oh, you just ruined our video.
Okay, go.
Message from Shelby Bosworth.
I'm gonna be funny. Does it look like I'm looking at it? With no competition.
No need to buy $1.50 water. That's wrong, isn't it? Call or text 1-800-12-TRUCK to wait, what?
Da-na-na-na. Truck stop.
Yeah.